Will you go to market?
Yes, I will go to market.
Will you apply henna?
Yes, I will apply henna.
What do you want to be? What do you want to be?
I want to be a good teacher.
Good teacher. What kind of the teacher you want to be?
I want to be a mathematics teacher.
What's the favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black. Okay. What's the favorite ice cream?
Uh,
What's the favorite ice cream flavor?
my favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla.
What's the favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black.
Yes.
Okay. Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Okay. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you prepare tea?
Yes, I prepare tea.
Do you brush the teeth?
Yes, I brush the teeth.
Do you go to temple?
Yes, I go to the temple.
Okay. Do you apply henna?
Yes, I apply henna.
Okay. Do you tease the boy sometime?
No, I don't tease the boys sometimes.
Do you teach your parents? Do you teach your parents?
No, I don't tease my parents.
Okay. Do you try to speak English?
Yes, I try to speak English.
Do you try to get up early in the morning?
Yes, I try to get up early in the morning.
Do you try to make food?
Yes, I try to make food.
Do you try to wash the cloth?
Yes, I try to wash the cloth.
Do you want to fight with her?
No, I don't want to fight with her.
Do you want to jump from train?
No, I don't want to jump from train.
Can you lift 200 kg?
No, I can't lift 100 kg,
200 kg.
200 kg.
What's your favorite place in India?
My favorite place is Punjab.
Punjab. Why do you like Punjab?
Because it's a clean city.
Mhm.
I'm in Punjab. I most like Chandigarh.
Okay,
It's
you
one
like
of the
Chandigarh. Okay.
yes.
Why you like Chandigarh?
It's one of the cleanest city.
Okay, that's why you like Punjab.
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite place in Gorakhpur, according to you?
It's Gorakhnath Temple.
Okay. Why you like Gorakhnath temple?
Uh, because it's a very peaceful place.
Mm-hmm.
When I go to Gorakhnath, its interior was so attractive,
Okay,
uh,
very good.
and I feel so peace.
That's why you like.
Yes, I
Okay.
like.
Yeah. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Gudiya Sharma.
Your name is Gudiya.
Yes, sir.
From where?
Sir, I'm come from Devariya, Uttar Pradesh.
Devariya. What do you want to be?
I want to be a bank manager in my future.
Okay, you want to be the bank manager. What's
Yes.
your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is a book reading and poetry.
Okay. And what is your favorite dress?
Sir, my favorite is Indian sari.
Indian.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what's your favorite food?
Sir, my favorite food is idli.
Idli.
Yes.
Very good. And who's your best friend?
Sir, my best friend is a Preeti.
Preeti. Preeti from where?
Sir, she belongs to Devariya, Uttar Pradesh. She is my childhood friend.
Okay. Preeti, what she wants to be?
Sir, she wants to be a good teacher.
She wants to be teacher. Okay. What kind of a teacher she wants to be?
Sir,
What kind of teacher she wants to be? So, can you tell me about your favorite place in India?
sir, my favorite place is the Varanasi.
Varanasi. Why you like Varanasi?
Sir,
Varanasi?
because my mother say Banaras is a peaceful place
Mhm.
or belong to Mahadev, and I worship Mahadev, so I like Banaras.
Okay, okay, okay. And can you tell me, ma'am, about your favorite actor?
So no, I don't have any favorite actor I like, but as a India freedom fight.
Do you watch movie?
So no,
Tell me about your favorite leader in India.
My favorite leader in India, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Prime Minister of India. Very good.
Yes.
Why he's your favorite leader?
Because he is a global awarded winning leader.
Mm-hmm.
Because he travel a lot. He make relations with other countries. So best part of for India,
Mhm.
and it do hard work for our country and our religious.
What's your favorite color, sir?
My favorite color is black.
Black.
Yes.
Okay. And what's your favorite place?
My favorite place is Mumbai.
Mumbai. Can you explain some lines about Mumbai?
Yes. Mumbai is called dream place, and in Mumbai there are so many tourist places like that.
Do you want to take tea?
Yes, I want to take tea.
Do you want to take piping hot samosa?
Yes, I want to take piping hot samosa.
Do you go to market?
No, I not go to
Do you
market.
speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you tease the girls?
No, I don't.
Do you
tease the
watch
girls.
movie?
No, I don't.
Do you
watch the
play
movie.
cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Will you apply henna?
No, I will not apply henna.
Will you dance in party?
No, I will
Can
not.
you jump
dance
from
party.
train?
I will jump from train.
Can you jump from train?
No, I can't.
Can you
jump from
fight?
train. Yes, I can fight.
Can you speak fluent English?
Yes, I can speak fluent English.
Are you doctor?
No, I'm not.
Are you teacher?
No, I'm not. Teacher.
Are you pilot?
No, I'm
Do
not.
you want to be pilot?
Yes, I want to be pilot.
Do you want to be scientist?
No, I don't be a scientist.
I don't want to be scientist.
I don't want to be a scientist.
Do you want to be a pilot?
Yes, I want to be a pilot.
Do you want to be an advocate?
Yes, I want to be an advocate.
Okay. Do you smoke cigarette?
No, I don't smoke cigarette.
Do you take liquor?
Sir, what?
Do you take liquor?
No, I don't take liquor.
Okay. Do you want to take liquor?
No, never. I don't want to take liquor.
What do you want to be?
I want to become a politician.
You want to be the politicians.
Yes,
Why you selected to be the politicians?
because I want to change my society.
You want to change your society.
Yes, and when I have a power, I will change.
Sure.
Yes,
But nowadays, there are so many leaders, they are very corrupted.
that's why I'm coming in politics.
That's why.
They are corrupted.
So suppose if will be like the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. No, first of all, what will you change?
First, I will change the education system. I will improve schools and colleges. I will give free education to everyone who is become middle class family, who is become poor, who is become rich family. I give equal education to everyone.
Okay. And what do you think about like corruption? How can you remove the corruption? If suppose you are chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, so how can you remove the corruptions?
Sir, we don't need strict action. We need mindset, good mindset. First, I will change.
That's why
criminal
if just
mindset.
actually we would like to know what is your mindset? How can you remove?
First, we educate the people who are doing crime. First, we have to educate them. After that, everything will change. Everything will improve, and I will give very good instruction to our police, our crops.
Okay.
Yes.
So what would you like to be? You would like to be the Prime Minister of India, or would you like to be the Chief Minister of India?
I would like to be prime minister.
Prime Minister.
Yes. Not our enemy. They are also our brother.
Okay, okay.
And before some time we are in one country. That's why I will include Bangladesh and Pakistan, Nepal also, and I will create Akhand Bharat.
Akhand Bharat.
Yes.
Very good. Yeah. So first of all, you tell me actually who's the ideal person in a leader?
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Yes.
Okay. So he's your ideal person.
Yes.
And who's your favorite leader?
Favorite in politics.
Yeah, in politics.
My favorite leader is Chandrasekhar Azad.
Chandrasekhar Azad.
Yes.
Very good. Can you tell some lines about the Chandrasekhar Azad?
Yes, Chandrasekhar Azad is advocate. He did LLB from Dehradun, and he is belong to middle class family. He is a very poor man, but in 2020, 15 March 2020, he created one party whose name is Azad Samaj Party, and he become a member of parliament from Nagina in 2024.
Very good. So actually, you like him as his work.
Yes,
Okay, okay, okay. So have you ever met him or not?
I met 3 times.
3 times.
Yes.
Where?
One time in Gorakhpur, and when one time he came in my home.
But actually, I have seen the Chandrasekhar. He is a very bold person. He never fear to anybody.
Yes.
What do you think about?
This is his power.
This a power.
Yes, is power of constitution.
Okay.